If you believe that you need millions of followers on your Facebook page to reach millions of people, I'm about to prove you wrong. You see, it's not about how many followers you have, but whether your content is being promoted by the Facebook algorithm to push it to the right people at the right time. And so in this video, I'm going to show you the strategy that we use to train the Facebook algorithm to promote our content no matter how many followers you have. So whether you have 1,000 followers, 10,000, or 1,000,000 followers, this can work for you. And yes, training the Facebook algorithm to promote your content and get it in front of the right people is possible, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Now take a look at this page. This post right here with 128,000 likes and 58,000 shares. How many followers do you think that this Facebook page has? So if you said 1,000,000 followers or 500,000 followers or even 100,000 followers, I'm afraid to say you were wrong. This page has 32,000 followers, and it has multiple posts that reach millions of people, showing you that if you want to reach millions of people on Facebook, if you want to go viral, it's not about how many followers you have, but whether the content you're making is being promoted by the Facebook algorithm. Whenever you see a viral post on Facebook, typically 95% of that audience is basically people who don't follow your page, which basically means the Facebook algorithm just picked up your post and decided to just push it to as many people as possible. So how do you do that? Well, here's another example. This post had 8,000 likes and almost 4,000 shares. And you might think, well, how many followers does this page have? Does it have 5,000, 10,000? 100,000? Well, this page has 91,000 followers. And as you can see, they're just image posts, really not that difficult to make, but they found something that works. They found content that the algorithm loves to promote. And so that is the one thing you really need to do if you want to reach millions of people. You don't need 1,000,000 followers. You need the right content to be picked up by the algorithm and be promoted to those people. But if that's not happening for your Facebook page right now, there's probably a couple things that you're not doing right. One of them is that you might not have the right type of followers for your page, or the Facebook algorithm doesn't have enough data to know who to promote your content to. And so what I've been doing for the past couple of years is to train the Facebook algorithm for each individual page that we have to make sure that whenever we post something, it gets pushed to as many people as possible. And yes, that means that we are showing our content to people more likely to engage, to leave comments, share, and as a result, of course, we get more reach. And if your page is monetized, that means you make more money. And we call this the Facebook viral formula. Now, this is what the Facebook viral formula looks like. It's a flywheel, and I'm going to explain to you exactly how it works. If you want to learn how to implement this yourself for your own Facebook page, click the link in the description below for more information. It all starts by finding the winners, finding the content that's performing best within your Facebook page. That you should have already some data for your Facebook page to know what works best. What is the best format that can get you the best results, the biggest reach on Facebook? Meaning, is it photos? Is it text? Is it videos, reels? Whatever that is, you need to know this information because this is going to give you clues on what exactly you need to be posting and what type of topics you should be covering within your Facebook page. We're going to be utilizing that data to implement the Facebook viral formula. Now, if you don't have a large following already, or perhaps you don't have a lot of posts, you can also use competitors' posts. That means that you can go and look at several of your competitors' Facebook pages. Most likely, you will find a ton of different Facebook pages in the same niche as yours, and you can find those top performing posts and create similar ideas that can help you generate the same type of engagement. Once we have those top winners in place, then we move on to our first step of the Facebook viral formula. So what we do is we create an audience of the top performing content. We create an audience of the people who have engaged the most with those top winning posts, meaning that people who have left a comment, shared, that they have watched almost your entire video on Facebook. We want to have those people into a custom audience that we can tap into at any time. Those people are your core audience, your super fans. Those are the people that you really want to see every single post that you make on Facebook. And so we build them all into a custom audience, and then we tap into the power of Facebook ads. Now, a lot of content creators are afraid of using Facebook ads because they think that once they start using Facebook ads, something is going to happen to their page, the reach is going to go down, and they're not going to get the same organic reach. This is a complete misconception. In fact, we have several of our clients that you can see right here that have sent me screenshots saying that my strategy is actually working quite well. And I have a ton of testimonials from people saying every single time they implemented this specific Facebook viral format strategy, their reach actually went up. So no, using Facebook ads actually helps your Facebook page. It's not about spending a lot of money. It's about training the algorithm to show what it should promote based on your top performing content. You only do this for a while. You don't really run ads for 6 months. You only do this for several days. In some cases, you can do this once a month if you like. So what we do is once we have that custom audience, we take our top performing post and we promote it only to that custom audience using Facebook ads. Essentially, we are trying to re-engage these super fans and get them to see our next post. As you build up your engagement with your core audience, your super fans, as you continue to post organically, you will start to notice that those new organic posts will get more reach, and as a result, of course, your posts will start to go viral, which means that because you have super fans engaging with your top performing posts, now those posts tend to do a lot better because Facebook sees that there's a lot of engagement, and it will start promoting those posts to people who don't follow you. And that's how you train the algorithm to promote your posts organically, whether you have 1,000 followers or 1,000,000 followers. And I know it sounds complicated, but this is something that you can implement in less than 2 hours. Once you learn how to do this, you can replicate this over and over again for any Facebook page, no matter the topic, no matter the language of your Facebook page, because this tends to work across multiple Facebook pages. So if you want to learn how to implement the Facebook viral formula strategy in less than 2 hours, just click the link in the description below for more information. So overall, reaching millions of people on Facebook, it's not about having millions of followers, but having the right content strategy, identifying what's working best for your page, using Facebook ads as leverage to tap into those super fans, and then forcing the algorithm to promote your next post organically to reach millions of people. And reach is really important if you're trying to make money from your Facebook page. As you know, Facebook offers multiple monetization tools that allow you to make money for every single format, whether it's videos, text, photos, reels, stories, whatever that is, you can make a lot of money from Facebook. In fact, you can go ahead and click on this video where I show you exactly the process that we use to scale Facebook pages to make over $10,000 per month. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.